Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Ram 1500 Tradesman quad cab. Under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in brilliant black. It looks great. You do have the black grille up front there with your halogen headlights right there. Coming around the side here, we do have our 17-inch rims with our winter tires. They look great. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors here. And coming around to the back of the vehicle, you do have a 6-foot box. You do have the Ram badging there with the 4x4. You can open this guy up. Lots of room back here. It does have the spray and box liner as well, so nothing really getting scratched up. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and our panic button up there. Let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. Handle here, and some storage down here. Looks fantastic in here as well. Very spacious, and the seats are very comfortable. You do have the controls over the lights here, so your auto, off, daytime running lights and low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control here. And right up here we do have the controls over our turning signals and windshield wipers, as well as our high beams. Let's start her up here, key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here you do have your speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature, and then you do also have how many kilometers and the temperature outside. But you can switch that around to your vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B. You got your messages, screen setup, settings, and you can turn the menu off as well. That is control from right here. You got your horn in the center and cruise control options right there. And then over here in the center we do have our radio, so you have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM on there, as well as your media tab here. Info, ABC, and then you got your presets down here, as well as your volume up and down with the power, your skip, and your pause there. Audio, menu, and back, and then you also have your tuner and browser right over there. Gear shift is right here with the control over the 2-wheel, 4-wheel low, and 4-wheel lock. And then we got our climate control, so we have the power up and down with the circulation, hazard lights, temperature control, and then where it's going to blow out of, plus your defrosts. You have your traction control and tow and haul mode there. Some storage down here, cup holders right here, and armrest doubles as a storage container. Coin holders here with a USB and aux cord plug-in just over there. And then you can lift this guy up, and you got some storage you have another seat under there, so it does seat 6 people altogether. And then you got your top and bottom layers for your glove boxes. Let's take a look at the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here, you got your handle, control over your windows, and a handle here. Looks great back here as well, very spacious, and the seats are very nice, same material as the front. You can lift this guy up, and you got some storage just underneath there. As well, you do have your cup holders just over there. And there's our 3.6-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2016 Ram 1500 Tradesman. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.